If you could ride on a current of clean, fresh air, enter a home and replace the stale, stuffy air up to 20 times per hour, eliminating odors, pollutants, pet dander, and more, all while saving you 50 to 90% off your AC costs, it's because of the advanced whole house fan by QuietCool. So sit back and relax, and don't touch that remote, because I'm going to tell you how to enjoy better health and comfort for just pennies an hour. Let's talk about air quality for a minute. Cooking odors, smoke, pet dander, even naturally occurring pollutants and allergens get trapped in your home, and unless you're wearing scuba gear, you're breathing them in. With QuietCool's breeze on a switch, all of that is eliminated from your home in a matter of seconds. I think it's best said by our customers. Listen to this.
Our indoor air quality was kind of a question to begin with. Our daughter does have asthma problems.
Our 5-year-old daughter has a lot of issues with breathing and asthma and allergies, and since we've used it, we've cut back on her medication quite a bit and noticed a big difference.
Our indoor air quality was amazing with the QuietCool. No more stuffy rooms, everything was fresh outdoor air. It felt like you're outdoors camping, but you're inside your house.
When someone in your house burns cookies and the smoke alarm goes off, you can always flip on the QuietCool and it blows the air right out.
The air quality is significant. We cook a lot of bacon around here and things like that, and you just turn the QuietCool on and it just sweeps everything away.
I like bacon too. I think we all agree that the value of increasing the overall safety and purity of the air your family breathes goes beyond the up to 50 to 90% savings on your power bill. That kind of peace of mind is invaluable. You've been hearing from our customers so far, but what do the experts say? The American Medical Association reports that indoor air pollution is directly responsible for as much as 1/3 of our national health bill. The American Lung Association says cat dander can stay airborne for up to 10 hours, and viruses can stay airborne for up to 10 days. The Environmental Protection Agency reports that indoor air pollution may be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, even in the smoggiest metropolitan areas.
This is the best improvement. It's convenient, affordable, and easy to use.
As new homeowners, we've done lots of home improvement projects over the past year, and this has definitely been one of the best investments we've made on things around our house, so it's been fantastic for us.
So, would you say you love your QuietCool?
I love my QuietCool system.
I love my QuietCool.
Yeah, what's not to love about QuietCool? It stops the fighting between my wife and I, and cools us down at the same time.
I do love our QuietCool system. It's been great to have in the home and to feel the difference that it makes.
He bought it.
They bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it.
They bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it.
They bought it.
She bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it. They bought it. And now you can buy it.
Remember, if you want to save up to 50 to 90% off your electric bill, breathe safer, healthier air, and add one of the most important green energy products to the value of your home, log on to QuietCoolSystems.com. I'm Tim Herzog for QuietCool, and thank you for watching.
Sierra Pacific Solar Heating and Air, the guys in the big red trucks.